Hello students, I am Ms. Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained that what is exponent and power, and also I have already explained in the previous video that is law of exponent, and in the previous video I have already explained some questions based on the law of exponent. Today I am going to solve some critical question based on the law of exponent. So dear student, first of all I will solve question number 8, which is given in your exercise 11C. Question number 8 of exercise 11C. Question number 8 is find the value of n. Find the value of n in each of the following. Each of the following. In which second part of question number 8 is second part is 27 multiplied 3 to the power n plus 2 equal 243. Dear student, as you see here, question is 27 multiplied 3 to the power n plus 2 equal 243. So dear student, first of all, I will make base both sides in same number. So first of all, here is 27. So I will write 27 as 27. 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9, and 3 1 are 3. So here is after multiplication of 3 times we get 27. So I will have 27 as power of 3 is 3. So it will be equal to the 3 to the power 3 multiplied 3 to the power n plus 2 equal. Now I will find out right multiplication of 243 in power of 3. For this I will factorize 243 in such a way that 243, dear students, as you see here that 243 is divided by 3. Why it is divided by 3? Because sum of this number is divided by 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 is divided by 3. So 243 is divided by 3. So 3 8 are 24 and 3 are 3. Now here 8 plus 1 9, 9 is divided by 3. So 81 is divided by 3. So 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21. Now 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. So here, as you see here, that 243 after multiplication of 3 in 5 times we get. So in place of 243 we can write 3 to the power 5. So I'll write 3 to the power 5 in place of 243. Now here, as you see here, that a to the power m multiplied a to the power m, law of exponent. As you know, law of exponent, a to the power m multiply a to the power m equal a to the power m plus n. So according to this law, we can write 3 cube multiply 3 to the power n plus 2 as 3 to the power 3 plus n plus 2. 3 to the power 3 plus n plus 2 equal 3 to the power 5. Now 3 to the power n plus 2 n plus 5. N and 3 plus 2 equal 5. So 3 to the power n plus 5 equals 3 to the power 5. As you see here that base of both sides is same. So I am comparing power of both sides. 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 Here is power is n plus 5 and here power is 5. So n plus 5 equal 5 and n equal 5 minus 5 equal 0. So here power of n will be 0. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now I will explain other question. Question number 8, fifth part of question number 8. Fifth part of question number 8 is fifth part of question number 8 is 3 by 7 whole cube whole to power 7 equal 3 upon 7 to the power 3. Dear student, as you see here that here is base is 3 by 7 and here base is 3 by 7 and here is base of 3 by 7 power of 3 and power whole to power 7. So you know law of exponent a to the power m whole to the power m equal a to the power m r m multiply n. Here multiplication, here is multiplication of n m and n. So here multiplication of 3 and 7. So it will be equal to 3 upon 7 whole to power 3 multiply 7 equal 3 upon 7 whole to power 3n. Here 3 by 7 whole to power 3 7 ja 21 equal 3 upon 7 whole to power 3n. As you see here that base of both sides is same. So I will compare power of both sides. Here is power is 3n and here is power is 21. So 3 n equal 21. Comparing power of both sides. Both sides. 3n equal 21. 3n equal 21. So n equal 21 upon 3. 3 7 21. Therefore n equal 7. So dear student, I hope that this question is also clear to everyone. Now I will start next topic. Topic is expressing large number in the standard form. Expressing large number, expressing large number in standard form. In standard form. Expressing large number in standard form. How to write any large number standard form? It means expressing any number between 1 and 2 and multiplication of power of 10. This is called standard form of any large number. So how to express large number in standard form? For this I will take a question which is given in your slide 11D. Question number 1 is express this number in standard form 759 0087. So dear student, how to express this number in standard form? Just I have already told you that standard form is expressing any number between 1 and 10 and power of 10. So for this, I'll write number in standard form. I'll put decimal at this place 7.59, and when we write decimal at this place, then power of 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it will be equal to the standard form. It will be equal to the 7.59 0087 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6. Or we can write 7.6 into 10 to the power 6. I see here that this number is in between the 1 and 10. So I hope that this is clear to you. It means if you want to express any number in standard form, you should write this number in the between 1 and 10. For this I will transfer decimal from right to left. When you transfer decimal from right to left, then power of 10 will be positive, and when you transfer decimal from left to right, then power of 10 will be minus. Suppose that this is number 0.0012, and we have to write this number in standard form. For this, I will transfer decimal from left to right here. Then it will be equal to the 1.2 into decimal transfer from this place to this place, 3 place. So it will be equal to the 10 to the power minus 3. So dear student, with help of this, you can write this question and express any number in standard form. If you want to this number in usual form, then you should write decimal from 3 place left, then it will be equal in the usual form or general form. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Next video I will explain another topic, and thank you so much.